Being a significant part and a player in the low carbon networks agenda is essential for an organisation like ours, if our ambition, as it is to be one of the standard setters, to be a leading company in our sector. This is the big deal at the moment in the long term. This is the long-term policy agenda. This is the transformational change that probably will come about in the next 10, 15, 20 years as a result of the whole wider low carbon debate.
The Low Carbon Networks Fund project gives us a great opportunity to influence national policy and do our bit to feed into the national appetite for energy at the moment.
The project will run through 3 phases. We have to pull together a set of technology that doesn't exist today in the market. We then have to engage 14,000 or more customers in the region, explain to them the project and what we're doing and get them on board. And finally, we have to get real hard data out of the back of the project over 3 years.
Clearly, there are a number of significant challenges within this project. There are technical challenges and commercial, but I think some of the most significant ones are actually cultural changes that are going to be required to make the new way of operating electricity networks business as usual. There are also social challenges with our customers to understand how best they want to engage with energy in the future.
The greatest opportunity is to take the findings from the academic work and to carry those through into the policies and procedures and into industry documents and standards and specifications to everybody's benefit.
For 20 years now, the network companies have been backing away in terms of the customer relationship, and that's been right and proper. But in a world where customers are a more dynamic part of the supply-demand balance, the network companies are going to have to get closer to the customers and certainly to the suppliers and part of that relationship. So fundamentally, the big opportunity for us is it'll change the way that business feels inside a network company.